Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saint-Augustin-De-Desaures local and long-distance movers near me. When you decide to hire a cheap Saint-Augustin-De-Desaures moving company, you get a much easier move. 3 Movers offers full local and long-distance moving services you can count on. We know how to make your move so much easier. Whether you're moving across the country or just down the road, we can help. Whenever you need to relocate 100 miles away or further, it's called a long-distance move. We offer basic long-distance moving services, along with full-service options with services such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There is no need to try to handle a long-distance move without help. Our movers are skilled with relocations of 100 miles or further. We know how to save you time and energy whenever you need to move, no matter how far. You will end up doing quite a bit of work when handling a local move. Without a Canada Moving Company, all the furniture, boxes, and other items have to be handled by you. This could lead to damaged items or injury. Why not avoid the hassle by hiring 3 movers? We take the hard work out of your local move. Our team can get you settled into your new location faster and without all the worry. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saint-Augustin-De-Desaures moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.